And activists marched from the White House to the U.S. State Department to commemorate the 12th anniversary of the Urumchi Massacre. That's a violent day of attacks between Uyghur Muslims and the Han people in China. WDVM's Christy Matino tells us how now activists are trying to end the ongoing genocide over a decade later.
We are gathered here to commemorate the 12th anniversary of the 2009 Urumchi Massacre.
The day after celebrating America's independence, activists gathered at the White House to honor the victims of the Urumchi Massacre and called on the United States for action.
The Chinese government perpetrated a massacre of thousands of peaceful protesters and random Uyghur and other Turkic civilians, and it ended in bloodshed.
Following the massacre, the Chinese government abducted many Uyghur Muslims. Now activists are searching for their loved ones and speaking out against the Xinjiang education through concentration camps in East Turkistan, such as survivor Tunsine Zayabudon. She spoke to WDVM through her translator Elfidar El-Tibiye.
I wouldn't call it camp because it is literally a prison away from your family, everyone, loved ones. There I faced and witnessed sexual abusement, hunger, torture.
Now activists and survivors are calling on the United States to intervene to stop the ongoing genocide.
Engaging in intervention if necessary by boycotting the Beijing 2022 Olympics, by granting us humanitarian support, refugee status.
And all these years later,
Okay.
the suffering of being imprisoned at the re-education camp still haunts Zayabudon.
I want the world, the U.S., to take an action to stop this genocide.
Reporting in Washington, D.C., Christy Matino, WDVM 25.
Christy, thank you so much for sharing that. So 50 activists participated in the rally.